G'day guys, Trace here with some handy tips on how to pack smart in your caravan. Now first up, we like to use small containers throughout the van to make sure nothing moves around. When packing shelves, we like to keep the heavy stuff down the bottom to keep the weight low, and if anything does fall out, nothing heavy is going to whack you on the head. Moving on to the fridge, we like to use containers again for all the condiments to stop them from moving around. It's best not to have half-empty shelves because things may rattle around and make one hot mess. When travelling, we take the plate out of the microwave and use it to store our bread in. We also put any flatbread and wraps in the oven. We put the TV under the pillows and use Velcro to store the remotes on the wall. Where possible, we like to save on space using stackable pots and pans and anything that's collapsible. If you like to travel in style with a real wine glass like me, we pop it in a stubby cooler for safekeeping. Moving on to the wardrobe, we removed the hanging rod and installed shelving instead to make sure we utilise all that space. We also pop the bin in the sink, the ladder on the bunks, and make sure all the doors and drawers are secured. Well guys, that's a few of our tips. If you have any more to add, pop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear them, and we'll see you out there.